Happy Thursday, everyone. Guess where we're at? We're at Brices Creek boat launch area. And it used to be a camping area, but I haven't been here in a little while. So it says no camping, day use only. And of course, no target shooting allowed in the Croatan. So I wonder why you can't camp. Now they have improved the area as far as the outhouse is cleaner than it was. They replaced the roof, and well, it's as clean as it can be for an outhouse. Okay, maybe not as clean, but it's not bad. So looking across the way, there's Brices Creek. You can't see it from here, but you see that green box? It's a metal container. There's also one down a little further where people launch the boat. And that used to be a wooden bear box. Now it's a metal container, and I'm pretty sure a bear can't get in it. And last time we were down here, there was an empty, or actually it was a full trash can with lots of trash overflowing, all over the place. So this way it's contained, and it looks like the area is well maintained. And so glad to see that the National Forest Service has made improvements. We really appreciate their efforts. And what are you doing on this beautiful day? We're supposed to be working, but need a mental break. So we are fortunate enough to get out for a little bit, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.